Hey, good morning, everyone. I'm Miss Beth, and this is my friend, Miss Nikki. And we are so excited to be here to make this STEAM project with you. One, because we're just super excited.
Yes, very excited to be doing this.
Yes, it's a super cool idea. Squeaky clean soap making.
Yes.
And it's also the last one.
Yes, of this summer, and our only really program in August that we have.
Yeah. And we have a lot of kits, right? I mean,
We do.
We did at the beginning
Yes.
of the month. So
Come
depends
get
on
one.
where you're at, but come get one. Give us a call, make sure which location has it. Run in. We can't hold them for you, so you gotta get here and get those.
Yes.
Because after this, we're taking a break.
We are, because we're gearing up for fall, and we'll have more crafts and bags in September, and we'll also have some in-house programming. So you can come visit us at the library and join us for a program in person. It's been a long time.
Yeah, because as much as you get to see our faces, we just really want to see yours.
Yes,
so
definitely.
we're looking forward to that.
Yes, it's exciting.
So should we get started? and
Let's
make
get
some soap?
started, yeah.
All right. So we're gonna open our kits and see what's in here. What have we got?
We've got our directions.
Need that.
Yes.
I don't always do very well at following them, but I'm gonna do my best.
All right, and we have our soap mold. It's like a rectangle shape. We've got our 3 cubes of glycerin soap base. And what are we gonna put inside the soap?
We're gonna get some fishies.
Yes, yeah.
And put those in our soap.
It
How
is,
fun!
yes, it is, and because this is clear, we'll be able to see them after the soap sets. So it's very exciting. All right.
All right, so we've unpacked.
Yep.
That's the first thing on our directions.
Yes. And other things that you're gonna need that did not come with a kit is a bowl or something that you can microwave. We have a paper one, which makes cleanup super easy. You can use a glass one or even a coffee mug. And you might want a spoon. Again, we're using one that we can throw away because cleanup is a lot easier when you can just toss it out.
Way easier.
All right. So,
So-
after we unpack, we take our cubes.
This is called glycerin.
Glycerin,
right?
yes, yep, and we put them in our microwave safe bowl, just like that. And this is a super, you can't get much easier than this for a craft.
And then it says we're gonna put them in the microwave, ta-da, which we just so conveniently happen to have behind us. And it says 15 to 20, oh, let's see, how do I get the time on here? Micro time.
Okay, let's try that.
Start. Okay, we're gonna set it for 30 seconds. Miss Nikki is, because I can't figure out the microwave.
It's a complicated one. And your microwave might be more powerful or less powerful, so kind of stay near it and you want to check on it. And of course, because we're microwaving something, do you think it's going to be cold? Or do you think, especially if you're using glass, it could be hot? So be very, yes, so be very careful because you don't want to burn yourself. So Miss Beth is looking in, making sure that it's melting good.
I'm stirring it a little bit with my spoon, and it's pretty liquidy, but I'm gonna let it go about five-ish more seconds and run this time down, because I had just a few, oops, I'm dripping.
Yeah, you want to make sure it breaks down and is completely liquidy.
Now the edges of my bowl are fine, and because it's paper, it's not too hot. And I don't think you can really see super well, but
I can bring the camera.
it is watery.
All right, yeah, let's take a look at the consistency
watery.
after we microwave. Okay, so it's definitely liquid.
Yeah, I don't have any lumps or bumps in there. This would be a good time too if you like things to have a sweet smelly component to them, to do maybe some essential oils.
Yep, you could do that.
My kids used to say so I would stink pretty if we did stuff, which I always thought was so funny. They thought to smell nice was to stink nice, which I think is hilarious.
That is.
What else could we put in that?
Well, you could be super fancy and you can buy biodegradable glitter And there's even
That's
color that you can add
fun.
in. Yeah, but ours is super simple, at least for the first time that we're making it.
And are we all set to just pour in?
Yeah,
this,
so
Nikki?
we
I'm
just
gonna
pour
move.
it in.
You keep yourself straight and I will. There we go.
There we go.
I'll find the spot.
And it's not a bad idea to have a plate or something under it because, of course, we're probably going to leak some out of the bowl, right? That's everyone does
Obviously.
that when we're pouring.
Have they seen us do projects before?
If
All right.
so, they'll know we'll leak some, I'm sure.
Are we ready at home? Do
Let's
a drum
do it.
roll. Drum
Ready?
roll. And here we go. This gives us just the right amount
Yeah.
so that our mold is filled, I would say, about 3/4 of the way, which means we just have a little gap like this at the top, and then we can lay our fish. And I like the fish to be little kiss fish. So I'm gonna lay them like so. Give them a little love and let that guy sink. And I can even use my spoon to push down. Just
Perfect.
a tiny
That looks great.
bit.
Yeah.
Now, how long do we think until it will set up?
If you're just leaving it out on the counter, mine's set up at home in about like 30 minutes or an hour. You want to do it so when you touch it, it's firm to the touch. But the longer it sits, the better. There's no harm in that. And you can even speed up the process by putting it in the refrigerator or freezer if you want.
Oh, I'm sorry. I was
No,
just
go
going to
ahead.
say, because you know, it's so hot right now.
Yes, that's true.
It would take probably twice as long, I
Yeah.
think, to set up good.
That's a good point.
We're going to want to get into that soap. I know. I
Yes.
would want to, but we don't want it to be like soft soap out
Right.
of the
Yeah. So
out of
probably in the
pump.
summer
So,
with as
yeah.
hot as it's been, the refrigerator would be a good idea.
All right.
And we pre-made some, so let's see what it looks like. I'm gonna come up to the camera. So this one we refrigerated. So to take it out, because this is silicone, you can just peel it back and it comes right out. And look at our squeaky clean soap with adorable little fish in there. That's exciting, isn't it? So when you're taking a bath or washing your hands, you can just use it and be nice and clean.
What a great, fun,
Yes.
quick little experiment. So many times our projects have so many steps, which I love,
Right.
but then
It's nice there. The simplicity of it is also very nice.
yeah.
And if you loved making this and you want to make more, just keep this and you can online or at any craft store buy more things to experiment and make your own soap at home.
This was pretty cool.
Yeah, it was. Have fun, stay clean.
Have a great rest of your
Yes.
summer.
Yes.
And we'll
definitely.
see you in September,
Yes.
right?
And hopefully in person.
Come see us,
Yay.
please. We miss you guys.
We definitely do.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye.